Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 7. If log 6x minus 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equals to 1, solve for x, a2, b3, c4 and d5. Now we're given this log and we're given log 6x minus 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equals to 1. Now from this we can see that this is given as log 6x minus 4 all over 2 base 10. Since you have the same base, and due to this negative sign, we divide. And if it is plus, we multiply. And this is equals to, now 1 is equals to what? Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So from this we can see this log base 10 cancel, and then we'll be having 6x minus 4 all over 2 is equals to 10. Now when you cross multiply, you have 6x minus 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 10, and so we have 6x minus 4 is equals to 20. From this we can now say that 6x is equals to 20 plus 4, that is taking this negative 4 to this side, it becomes positive 4. Now 6x is equals to 24. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6 we cancel 6, liberating x, then 6 here 1, 6 in 24 will give us 4. So x is equals to 4, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.